These are cute. These are adorable. Oh, they have a Totoro. I feel like I could use, but cute. They're perfect for doing to-do list. I like the bunny in this one, but I also like the puppy, the cat. Hello, how are you? Good, how are you? Good. No, not this one. It's a Christmas version, so then, yeah, I'm gonna get her this, 2 of them. Hello. Oh, hello. I'm gonna meet up with Bella. I'm gonna give her her gift. I bought her 2, what are these? Pop marks. I bought her 2 pop marks. She loves these. She's been getting them, buying them, collecting them, and I thought, why not buy them? Yeah. That's a gift. I also bought her this. No, she paid me to buy this for her, so I'm just gonna put it in here. I'm gonna pretend that I bought it for her though. I'm gonna give her a little... Got this from Korea? No. I got this from Korea when I visited in July. I think I'll use... I have this one too. And this one. I think I'll use this one. I don't know what to write. Oh, this is a coin. It is a Korean coin. I have a Japanese coin, a Brazilian coin. I haven't been to Brazil yet. It's a coin that Bella gave me, and I really like it. The card says, "Yay, you're stuck with me for another year." Let's try. Let's try now. I'm a bit late. I'm supposed to meet her. Right now, and I'm late because I went back to sleep when I woke up at like, I think I woke up around 7. My alarm clock rang and I woke up early, but then I was like too tired. I couldn't sleep last night. The neighbor was partying, I guess. They were playing songs, so yeah. So that's all done. I need contacts. I'm gonna wear my contacts. Okay. Yep, all set. I was supposed to be at her house at 11, but it's 11 o'clock right now. So I need to call her later. So yeah. Let's go. I just arrived at Bella's house and I'm just waiting for her to come out of the house. So the plan for today is that we're gonna go to... Ooh, that is so pretty. I'm a burnt chicken. And Merry Christmas! Oh, thank you. It's a birthday! Come on! That's actually so cute. Oh, look at that one. I know, that one's my favorite. That's my favorite too. Oh, that one's actually really...
Yeah, you're stuck with me for another year. Oh, that's so cute.
Merry Christmas.
Thanks.
Bella, where am I going?
You can go anyway. Go that. I think it's that way. Yeah, go that way.
Okay.
Yeah, I did. Because it's got this.
No one wants that one.
I don't want that one. You cut it off.
I can't. If it's big, I can't.
Yeah. Fini, you should have gotten a different one.
It's
This is literally the one that I didn't want.
This is my meal.
Nah, it's not bad. It's cute. Oh, she's fuzzy. She's velvet. Okay, wait, she's actually a lot cuter in person.
Oh, she's a ginger. That's adorable.
Okay, Tuesday.
Taco Tuesday. Oh, oyster.
Thursday to Sunday.
So cute. So cute. That's cute. Oh, spot out.
Spot it. You need to add a credit card. Yeah.
Thank you. This is nice. Oh, they added salt as well.
Gee, they're really shaped up. Look at that.
Daisy, hello. Hello. I'll try the beginner's one and see how it goes. We're here at a cafe that we went to yesterday morning. We watched the movie, stayed at home. Happy New Year to everyone.
Happy New Year.
I have a big ice in mine.
This is cute.
It's similar. Try it. No? I think it's this one. Yeah, more strawberries and ice.
What? Oh, thanks. Just drink mine because I don't like yours. I'm gonna drink all of yours. See how you like that. It's so my mouth is so like powder, like a weird texture.
I think that's a matcha.
It is a matcha. No more. No, hold on.
I'll throw you guys.
Oh, that's right. I was like, oh, that's different.